Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my signature look. So this is the look that I have on in a lot of my videos. This is my go-to look, my go-to summer look, my go-to spring look. It's very light, but at the same time, it's a full beat. So I'm going to show you guys step by step of how I create this look. And what's exciting about this video is we are going to be playing with the new blushes by Mented Causemetics. So they just launched brand new blushes today, so they are available right now, so you can get your hands on them. So I'm going to be demoing one of my favorite ones out of the four, and I actually have a giveaway on my Instagram right now featuring their new blush. So I'm going to leave my Instagram handle right here so you guys can check that out. Follow me while you're there. So yeah, I will be partnering with Mented Causemetics in today's video to share these blushes with you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very nice, very sleek, very chic. And when you open it up, it opens all the way out. So the mirror doesn't stop halfway, it goes all the way to the back. And what's nice about these blushes is they're super pigmented. You guys will see that in the video, and they are buildable. So a little bit of this is going to go a very, very, very long way, which you guys will see. And these are $22 a piece. So yes, let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial so you guys can see how I do my full summer beat with my signature look using these Mented Causemetics blushes. So I always like to use a gel moisturizer when it's the springtime, summertime, because they are pretty light on the skin. They're not too heavy and they are super duper breathable. So I'm going to be using this one by Garnier. This is the SkinActive Moisture Rescue, which does not come as a surprise to most of you guys who have been watching some of my tutorials. So this is the first step that I'm going to do, is moisturize the skin. And then we go in with my primer. So I'm going to take the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer, and I'm just going to focus this more so on my T-zone, because this is where I tend to get really, really oily. So if you are new to my channel, I do have oily combination skin. So I have a really, really oily T-zone. So I'm just going to pretty much focus most of this right here where I get greasy. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I do use SPF. The one that I use, or the one that I've been using this month, is this one by Benefit. This is the Dream Screen. I just put a little bit of this, just mix it in with my moisturizer or whatever primer I'm using, but I'm not using it today because I'm not going outside. I'm actually filming late at night. But if I'm going to be outside, I do make sure to drop a few drops of this inside either my moisturizer or my primer if I'm not using a moisturizer that already has SPF in it. And then you guys know the drill. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows really quick, and I'll be right back. All right, so the brows are somewhat done. I still always go in and kind of fade them out once everything is on the face. I feel like I say that in every one of my tutorials, but a lot of you are just coming to my channel. But this is why I do brows before foundation when I'm doing a full beat, is because once I apply my foundation, I can kind of blend in the concealer that I have around my brows into the foundation, so that way it won't really mess up the brows. But the foundation that we're going to be using is this one by Mented. This is in the shade T40. And I enjoy using this foundation stick because this is going to give me a natural look, like a natural finish. And I love to have a natural finish around the summertime because I don't want anything that's going to look too cakey on the skin. So I really enjoy using this foundation. And I do have a full review on this if you guys are interested in seeing it. I'll have it linked down below in my description. I am using a sponge instead of a brush because I just prefer using sponges with all of my foundations. So I'm just going to tap this in. And for the concealer, I'm going to take this one by Uoma, however you say it. This is in the shade T2. And I'm just going to place this under my eyes like this. And my forehead, my nose, and then my chin. Then I'm going to blend this out using my sponge. And then we're going to set the concealer using the Thrive Causemetics Translucent Setting Powder. And y'all know the drill, the Sephora Microsmooth. We're going to take a little bit of this and just dust it around the perimeter of my face. Anywhere that I did not put concealer, just to kind of lightly bring the color back into my skin and also just make everything look more smooth and make sure that everything is set. Then taking my brow pencil, the little spoolie on it, I go back into my brows and make them look faded right in this area like this. And I'm going to take a little bit of bronzer. This is the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty Bronzer. and go down the sides of my nose like this. Before we get into the rest of the face, I always like to kind of just set, bake the sides of my nose while we do our eyeshadow and our blush. So also gonna go ahead and bronze up the face too with Cocoa Naughty. Okay, now time for the fun part. Let's play with these new blushes. So I'm gonna be using the shade Clay Too Much for my cheeks as well as my eyes. And this is what she looks like. Really pretty. I wanna use this on my eyes too because I feel like this shade, it kind of reminds me of my signature look, like that matte plummy look that I always wear in most of my videos. And I always have a lot of you asking me to do a tutorial on that, but I'm gonna show you guys how I create that look using this blush. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it so y'all can see how gorgeous this shade is. Look at that. That is such a pretty rosy mauve-y, like it's just so pretty. And I also have another one. This one is in the shade Peach for Stars, and this girl, this color, this has, like, if you look at it really closely, it has a little shimmer to it, and this is such a beautiful peachy color. It is so pretty, so summery, so fun. Look at that. So cute. And you guys see that they are pretty pigmented too. Really, really pretty. So let's go ahead and pop on Clay Too Much. Put it on the cheeks. Oh, yes. Look how pretty that is. And you see the pigment? Like, I'm barely tapping my brush in here. And there's no kick up either. I know that a lot of people like to know if there's kick up or fallout. I noticed that there's no fallout as I'm tapping my brush in this product. So look at that. If you ever feel like you put on too much blush, you can always go back in with your powder brush that you used earlier and just go on top of that. Now I'm gonna go in with the same color and use it as my eyeshadow. And we're gonna see how this looks. And you guys see right here, as I'm tapping my brush in it, there's no kick up, none. So I'm pretty much just gonna pack this all over my lid. This is what I do when I'm doing my signature one shadow look. I just pack it all over my lid. Girl, look how pretty that color is. And I do the same thing on the other side before I go into blending. I just make sure to pack most of the color on the lid. And then once I get done packing it everywhere, by the way, this is a Morphe M504 brush. But once I get done packing it, I like to take my brush, kind of dust off most of that shadow so there's not too much on there, and then I'll go in and just blend it into my crease, blend it up towards my brow bone, and just blend it like that. And it just gives you that soft, smoky, matte look, which is what I love. I just love when I can use a blush as an eyeshadow. And it's also quicker too. Like if you're in a hurry and you want to put on a little color on the face, just throw on some blush and use that blush as an eyeshadow. But yes, this is how she is looking. Now I can stop right here and just apply a little bit of mascara and be done. But since this is a full summer beat, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes. And the lashes that I'm using is my Ardell Remy lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on real quick and I'll be right back. So as I was applying my lashes, I was thinking, what if I tried out a little bit of Peach for the Stars? Just a little bit, just to see how it would look on top of that first shade we used. Let me just see. I'm not gonna put on too much, just a tiny bit. Just right there. Ooh. Yeah, this is gonna give you a nice subtle glow. It's not like too glowy, but it's giving me that really soft, subtle glow right there on my cheeks. Do you guys see that sheen? It's actually really pretty. I'm not even gonna put on any highlighter. I'm just gonna wear this and let that be it, because this looks good without highlighter. Like, it's giving me that really soft glow. Like, look, girl, this is so pretty. I like this. Oh yeah, I'm liking how this looks. This looks really good. Let's go ahead and put on a lipstick. So I'm gonna take my favorite color from the Mented lipsticks. This is in the shade Brand Nude, and this one is their matte lipstick. And I'm just gonna put this all over my lips. I'm not even gonna put on a lip liner. I'm just gonna put this on and let that be it. Alright, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you are going to be getting your hands on these new Mented Cosmetic blushes. Let's go ahead and chit chat about it down below in the comments. Also, don't forget that I am doing the giveaway on my Instagram, and I'm also doing a giveaway here on my channel. So every single month, I give away one box to one person, and it's super easy to enter the giveaway on my channel. All you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure you thumbs up the video as well as leave a comment down below in the comment section. And I don't want the comments to be anything about the giveaway. Let's talk about these blushes. Let's talk about what shade you're going to be getting. Let's talk about that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you thumbs it up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.